Hi, welcome to Atlas ADF YouTube channel. Today we will learn how to generate bulk MP3 file with text to speech pro version. We have introduced a new feature from 2.7.0 version, which is bulk MP3 generate. Remember, this feature is in pro version only. So let's discuss how to generate bulk MP3 file. First of all, when you click on this submenu, you will redirect it to this page, and here you can see AtlasVoice Pro, which our brand name, bulk MP3 file generate. Here you can see that there is a notice. It says no post ID found. Please select multiple posts from post page and apply Atlas Voice generate MP3 file bulk action. So here there is a instruction. It says that go to the post page, and there will be there is a action bulk action name Atlas Voice generate MP3 file. Before that, you have to select post. So let's see how to do it. And here is a link button to post page, and I redirect to this page. And let's imagine that I will generate MP3 file for this two page. Okay, and from here I can see that at last voice generate mp3 file is an and there is an action named at last voice generate mp3 file. I select it and apply it, and I redirect it to this page. So here it says that uh, here we give a link for YouTube for this YouTube video, so you can understand how to use these features. So here it says dash regenerate all MP3 file. So here you can see we selected two posts from post page. So it says one is okay, click it's okay, and one is not. That means this mp3 file this post's mp3 file is already generated, and that's why its link post link is also there. So, and this post's mp3 file is not yet generated, then that's why it is cross, and also the post url is not there. So it means if mp3 file is generated, then you will see look like this, and if not, then it will look like this. And okay, there is a another thing. When you click this, this is an accordion. You can see here will be title, and here will be the content, post content. That means mp3 file will be generated based on this content, and you can edit it as you want. But also here you can see this, this is a title, and here is a content of this title of this post. So I can see that here is the post title is added here. If you don't want to add the post title in the mp3 file, then you can remove it. Okay, let's see. I don't want to add the title to to mp3 file, so I'll remove it. And also if you want to add new content with this content, then you can add this one also. Suppose by default the content will be title plus this content, but if you want to add extra content, then you can add as you wish. So the, let's say I want to add this post has ended. Okay, I want to this sentence all after finishing the mp3 file. So, and there is an option, it says that's regenerate all mp3 file. If you don't click, don't check, then previously mp3 file will be as it is, it will not regenerate again even you click on generate mp3 file. It will only generate for this one. If you don't check, if you don't check, if you check, then it will generate all of them. Of you, if you don't check, then it will generate only for this one. So suppose I would as you can see that I have added a content after this post, so I want to regenerate it again. So that's why I need to click here, regenerate all mp3 file. Okay, so all setup done. I want to generate mp3 file for this one, also this one. That's why I click here. If I don't want to generate the mp3 file for this one, then I have to uncheck it. So in my case, I have to generate for all of them. That's why I check it. So let's start. Oh, it will ask you that are you sure you want to regenerate all mp3 file? Yes, in my case, I will say yes. So it says, uh, look, uh, the mp3 file is already generated for this one also. That's why the eye icon is here. So let's see, is it working as I expected? Yes.
Hello world. Welcome to WordPress. This is your first post. Edit or delete it, then start writing. This post has ended.
So you can see that I have added a new sentence after this content. This post has ended, and this content mp3 file is already added after the content. Let's see if I reload it. Is the content will be there? Yes, it's the content will be there. But that means you can save modified content to database and it will be there. It will not be lost. So in this case, for this one, it will I remove them the title from the content. By default the title is added. So let's see, is the title there or not?
According to the finance division,
You can see that title is not reading. Okay, then you can see, you can ask that text to speech pro version have three player, which is Google TTS Pro, Google Cloud Text to Speech TTS, ChatGPT. So which settings it will implement? So in this case, the settings will be implemented. Which settings is here? That means if I select Google TTS Pro and from here the language, English Australia, you can see, see that the MP3 file is
Pakistan's external
reading in English Australia. So if I select here, let's see ChatGPT and save it. After that, I will I want to generate the MP3 file in voice, and I'll keep it as it is. Also this one, and save it. And let's say the two mp3 file is not there, both posts, there is no mp3 file, so I have to click here to generate mp3 file as the settings from here, from like Google TTS, sorry, ChatGPT TTS. So I click it. In this case, you don't have to check this option, because there is no mp3 file already generated by ChatGPT. So you don't have to click it, or you can click it as you wish, no problem. The output will be same. So all setup done. Now click on generate mp3 file. First one is generated, and it says one mp3 file is generated out of two. That means from this one, for this one it's generated. Let's see. Okay.
Investing in Pakistan, $12.7 billion rollovers to drive growth.
You can see that mp3 file is generated for by ChatGPT. And next one was this one.
Hello world. Welcome to WordPress. This is your first post. Edit or delete it, then start writing.
Okay, this is how you can use bulk action, bulk mp3 file generation. Thank you so much for viewing this. If you have any question related to our pro version or bulk mp3 file generation, then you can comment on this video, or you can contact with us. I'll give all of the description in this video. In this, I'll give all the description, all the links in this video. Thank you.